Last month, following public outcry over a lengthy sentence for a trucker involved in a deadly Colorado crash, Governor Polis dramatically reduced that sentence from 110 years to 10 years. Now, two district attorneys, including one from the Western Slope, have contacted the governor to contest that move. I spoke with Mesa County DA Dan Rubenstein regarding a letter he co-signed and the governor's response to it. In a 5-page letter, two district attorneys said they disagreed with Governor Polis' decision to reduce Rogelio Aguilera Madero's sentence to 10 years. This is a case that received national attention involving a truck driver who caused a crash on I-70 in 2019 that killed 4 people.
It made clear to him that this was something that the DA community was unhappy about, the victims were unhappy about.
Mesa County District Attorney Dan Rubenstein, along with Boulder County's District Attorney Michael Doherty, sent Governor Polis this letter January 20th expressing concerns about the reduced sentence. The letter states, "We agree that the original sentence of 110 years was too severe. A sentence of 110 years in a case involving reckless rather than intentional conduct should have been avoided, just as a sentence of 10 years in state prison for killing 4 people is too lenient." But their concerns aren't just about Aguilera Madero's case.
It sent a message from really the highest office in the state that the criminal justice system isn't the place to correct its own errors and correct its own situations where sentences are too harsh. And that, in fact, is not true. The case was actually scheduled for a hearing just 2 weeks later, where the DA personally had requested a resentencing hearing to correct the sentence, and the judge had already expressed his willingness to do that.
Polis heard their concerns, and they believe this letter was effective. Rubenstein says he wanted
to get some sense from him as to whether this was going to be his normal course of business of involving himself in criminal cases that were still pending, like he did, or if this was unusual. And he assured us this was very much an unusual situation, and we should not read any precedential value into his actions.
Polis accepted an invitation to meet with the District Attorney's Council later this month, and Aguilera Madero's case is expected to be on the agenda.